A quick overview of spring. Have you ever heard the phrase, when the dust settles? Well, that's kind of what I'm dealing with. We moved our house here, and when the dirt has settled down, I noticed that we were going to need a lot more. So, good old Oliver here is going to help me out with that. I am the only one on the farm that drives this anymore. She's kind of a bit of a beast. But you know what? She gets the job done. And surprisingly, I didn't even hit my house. So, yay me! And through the magic of video editing, we turn like 8 hours of work into a couple of minutes and a few scoops. And it looks great. And this grassy stuff I was putting on the side so that I can bury it later. In reality, it actually took me a couple of days to complete just the scooping of the dirt. And I was beat after that Armstrong steering. And then I got a couple of days of rest because the rain was unreal. But as with all the cycles of nature, we actually really did need that. The land was parched before, and as soon as the rains did come, so did the blooms. There was still work to be done. We've made pallet fences. We've had to put up some bird feeders. Planting the garden, of course. And it's a good thing that the garden is sheltered because of what came next. The birds are chirping. The bees are buzzing. My loser dog is in the background. And the blooms are blooming. This is always my favorite time. I don't know about you guys, but it is so great to see everything just transform. You're a Looney Tune. You're an ultramaroon. You're a nincompoop. So I decided that we should make some planter boxes. We had a bunch of bark, and I'm going to cover it up with a bit of the dirt that I can scoop from out back. And then I'm going to mix dirt with the potting soil for the top layer, and they just look so good. All of this wood is reclaimed. It's either from pallets or, just stuff that we have taken apart before. Oh, my friend! I saw a friend. Isn't he cute? She. And then we have my mom and dad's strawberry planter, and I think this is just the most adorable thing ever. I totally want to make one. So smart, too. And also, we got some rocks placed around the front flower bed. I have been collecting cool rocks for pretty much my whole life, and it turns out now I have something to do with them. So Mama and Baby are pretty chill. They like to just eat grass and stick around. I am planning on getting more goats though, so this pallet fencing is what I was putting up against the fence panels and just simply tying it on with twine so that I can have like a removable, adjustable fence. It looks okay. I had the board of directors here behind me to make sure everything was going according to plan. And once she got in there, Mama and Baby were very happy. They're so cute. Aren't they so cute? They're adorable. Oh, Timbit. I had a really shitty morning. And this weekend I was supposed to go and help a friend, and I said no due to mental health reasons. I have been saying no to everybody this weekend so that I can say yes to myself. And I know a lot of people might not understand that. But I'm done being sorry for what I want. Or for wanting what I want. Whatever. So, yeah, I guess come along with me on my hot mess journey. Alright, we are on our way to go get another doe and doeling. Honey and Timbit are doing well, but they need some friends, and that's just how goat math goes, just along with chicken math and everything else. So we just got home, and you can see they don't really pay attention to each other. But that's good. That's better than them not getting along, so. It is a baby. It's a baby. It is a real baby. You're a bit portly. And as you can see, we're getting a little bit of milk, which is very, very exciting for me. So the new mama, we named her Maple, and the little one is Donut. And they go along with Honey and Timbit. Timbit and Donut love playing together. It's adorable. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe and hit that little bell to get notified when I put out new videos. And thanks for watching, you guys. I really appreciate having you spend your time with me.